guys, and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing well today. This is video number 1 for this week, what will happen to be the last video for this year 2024. I want to first of all take this time to thank everyone that has logged on to this channel, subscribe to this channel, watch various of our videos, give us likes, drop some comments. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the reasons why we are doing this. And if you're seeing our video for the first time, guys, smash that subscribe button. We have loads of content you love to see, and I can assure you for 2025 we also have so many ideas and content coming your way. So guys, stick with us, subscribe to this channel, and let's grow this community together. Today I'm going to talk about two things. The first one is I'm going to be talking about the latest update on Blum. As you know, I have been big on Blum, and I've been talking about Blum for some time now. And as well, I'm going to be talking about the Bitcoin for this year, what it has done, and what we could expect for next year. So guys, stick with me, stick with this video, and don't go anywhere. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right into this. Firstly, let's discuss the latest update on Blum. Blum has been here for a long time. We've done lots and loads of content on Blum. If you have not seen those videos, guys, after watching this video, you can check our channel and see every content we have made on Blum, because why I have been very big on Blum. So of course they came up with a new update and changed up the whole UI of their Telegram mini application, and it's not bad. They've introduced what they call the trading bot, which they are still creating a whitelist for. I've joined the whitelist. You can also join their whitelist. And then they've brought the main part to the front page, and also created a button for the launch token, and which I think is okay. So let's see what the season 2 is all about. And then they said that this arrived your way. Then next they said snipe token with trading bot, like I said. Then they said launch your token, and we've been launching token for a while now. So like I said in the first video or the second video I did on Blum, I said if you want me to create a token on Blum memepad, I'm going to do that, but I need to hear from you guys. I've seen a lot of people in that particular video saying that I should create a token, but I still need more people to let us know through this video as well if you want me to create a token for the Tech3 Foundation YouTube channel and its community. We can do this. We can actually create a token and then build something massive around it, all holding it as a kind of a share into the YouTube channel and what we're doing with the community. That would be amazing. But let me know in the comment section if you want me to do this, and also let me know in the comment section if you have tried to create a token on Blum memepad and what you think about it. So the trading bot is still being whitelisted. I've joined the whitelist, like I said. You can also do that, but they've come up with different ideas, and one of them is this wallet. If you go to wallet and then points, they said meme points. Now they have these meme points that you can generate by trade to earn. What they expect you to do is when you click on this trade to earn, it will load series of things. They said trade your way to meme points, launch token with memepad and earn 500 plus meme points. Then your token moves to DEX and you earn 10,000 plus meme points. They said trade on memepad and earn 50 meme points for each $10 trade volume within a single transaction. Then you can also trade with their trading bot. That is, you can trade their meme tokens with a trading bot, which I think is something that might be cool. So this is the trading bot. Like I said, I joined the whitelist, and they said they would notify me as soon as I gain access to the Blum trading bot. So let's wait and see. I'm going to do a review on that as well if I'm able to join successfully. So that's all what their season 2 is actually about. I still think they are taking too long to launch their own token, which I felt they should have done before launching the main part, which will have served as a transaction fee or a use case for their token. But yeah, they probably know what they are doing. So let me claim these points and let's get that over with. Yeah, so that's all they have for us. Now they have this check-in where you can claim more points per each check-in days, and I've been doing as much as possible as checking in to see what they are up to. But like I said in one of the Blum videos, that they are now in between a doom or make scenario whereby they might be losing users because they are taking too long to launch their token, because majority of those people that are in this community are here to be part of what they want to do with their token. They could have just done that and move on to the next new features that they have for their community and see what they actually have for community, right? Because we all know that after launching the token, a lot of people will go off the community and they will now have their basis, the foundation of people who are really interested in what Blum is actually doing. Yeah, the longer they take, the more risk they are taking on, and that is all up to them. Now, I think that's all about their new update, which they call the season 2. They are still yet to know when they are going to launch their token, and I think their game is still the same. Up for new features that they are adding to it to probably make it more interesting. But what I noticed with this game is that I've been hitting more bumps than points. At some point, I was able to take on much more points. I think I was taking on about 2,000 points or 1,000 plus points per time. But yeah, just changing some things here. No big deal whatsoever. This is not a big deal. This is their game now. They've changed some of the things that they have on the game. But yes, of course, you can win more points now with their game, which I think is awesome. But as you can see, I have 18 more games left to play because I've not been playing it as much. And that is what is happening to Blum, because a lot of people are already moving away and moving on from their project. But yeah, I still have belief in these guys because I can put a face to them. I've given you a lot of reasons why I believe in these guys, and I think they are up to something, and it might be worth it at the end of the day. But yeah, guys, the jury is still out on them. If I am wrong, I'll be here to tell you guys that I am wrong. So yeah, that's all for Blum. Yeah, so a quick review on what Bitcoin has been doing for this year. Bitcoin has moved massively this year, beyond some of our expectations. It has done huge numbers, and congratulations to everyone out there that has won big with the Bitcoin rally. Yeah, so but at the same time, there are a lot of people that have not really won as much with the Bitcoin rally, and I keep telling you guys that it is never too late to buy a Bitcoin. You can always buy one and keep for yourself. Another important thing here is that Bitcoin surprised a lot of people. I wasn't one of them because, of course, I believe that Bitcoin was destined to just hit the 100,000 mark this year, and it even surpassed our expectations and did some massive stuff. Yeah, so let's take a look at what has happened with the market cap. I think we hit I want something a bit better. We hit over $2 trillion in market cap this year. Over 2 trillion, guys. Over 2 trillion. And that is a massive one. And if we go and check the trading view, let's just review what the price has been like this year. And then I'm going to go to months, let's say 1 month, so we can see what has happened. Yeah, so this year we started at about $40-something thousand, and Bitcoin has gone from $40-something thousand to about almost $110,000. Not, it didn't hit the 110,000, but it almost hit it. I think it got to about let's see Let's see. It surpassed 1.5. If we move a bit, let's move a bit up, about 1.9 to 1.8. You understand? So I think Bitcoin surprised a lot of people this year, and it has done great, massive numbers from 40 something thousand to almost $110,000. And yeah, I believe before the first quarter of 2025, it will hit $150,000. That is my prediction, guys. This is not financial advice, but that is what I think. So, of course, it's dropping by and trying to form a better base so that it can pick up again. But it's never too late to buy. Like I said, it's never too late to buy. Dollar cost average is one of the best strategies to stockpile Bitcoin, like MicroStrategy has been doing for years. So you can also pick up that same strategy and hold on to some Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the grandfather of everything that we do in the crypto space. And yeah, you might not really be big on Bitcoin, maybe because there is too much volatility in the Bitcoin space. But yeah, in trading generally there is volatility, so I think you should pick up some Bitcoin and hold on to it. Buy more if you can at any time, because guys, this is going to be the gold for the coming years, right? That is what I believe. So yeah, and yeah, a lot of people have won big in the crypto space this year through the Solana craziness. And yeah, it has been really massive, to be honest. It has been really massive. And one of my baby, should I say a baby project for this year has been Ton, because I really believe in Ton, and I believe that they should have been in the top 6 or top 10 cryptocurrency this year. And I still think if we are rating cryptocurrency this year, Ton should still make it to the top 10, right? But according to CoinGecko, they are in the top 15. I think they are number 13 on the list, and that is based on market cap. I believe it's based on market cap and 24-hour volume. But majorly it is based on market cap. So I think they have done okay for themselves, but I still believe they can do much more than they are currently doing. I don't know what is holding us back, because like every other person, I'm also holding some Ton coins. So I encourage my community members to as well hold on to some Ton coins, because I believe they have what it takes to compete with chains like Solana. So let's see how it goes. Let's see if they are able to build a strong community. But because Solana's strong feat has always been their community. So yeah, that's it for me for Bitcoin, what Bitcoin has done this year, and some of the things I think will happen for the first quarter of next year. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section, guys. Share your ideas, share what token you think are going to go crazy for the first quarter of next year. Let's share with the whole community, and yeah, it will be massive. So if you have not joined our community on Telegram, guys, go into the description. You'll see loads of links where they are linked to my socials. They are linked to our Telegram community, where we are building the community, and it's the first place we drop ideas of airdrops and various ideas that comes to my mind. And at the same time, I have links of loads of projects I've been doing on the Telegram mini applications. You can also join so many of them. You can join Blum as well. If you haven't joined, you're welcome. So yeah, that's that about this. Thank you guys for watching this long. If you've watched this video this long, smash that like button, and if you are not yet in the community, smash the subscribe button. We have loads of content for you, and you will love it. Yeah, at the same time, guys, I'm wishing you a happy new year in advance and happy holidays. And for those that are not yet in their new year, or they've already done their new year, guys, I wish you guys all great holidays. Yeah, that's it from me for this year. And thumbs up to every one of our community members. Thumbs up to you guys. We've hit the 4,000 subscribers plus now, and our target is to hit that 10,000 subscriber, guys. So please share our content with lots of your friends. invite people into this community. Let's build this community. And also don't forget that I would love to actually launch a token on the Blum meme pad for this community, but I want you guys to let me know if you want me to do that. Yeah, a lot of people have been saying I should do that in the video where I first mentioned it, but also let me know if you want us to do that with this video. Share your ideas in the comment section. Let me know if you want us to do that, and I am going to do exactly that. Thumbs up to you guys. You are the MVPs. You are the big guys. I really love every one of you. Till I see you again in the next episode, which is probably going to be next year. Have a wonderful one, guys.